Open the storage container between the seats in the center console and remove the two Phillips head screws at the front. Red arrows, the screws are already removed. Lift the storage compartment out and use a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the single screw at the rear of the center console. Lift the plate up and slide it to the rear, red arrow. All the switches are attached to the plate at the bottom of the console trim plate. If the clips break on the plate, there is no way to replace the plastic section and you must replace the entire wood piece. All the plugs simply pull out as indicated by the red arrow. Use care when doing this so you do not break the clips in the plastic plate, or better yet, remove the switch from the plate first, then separate the connections. This photo illustrates the plastic clips holding the switches in place, red arrows. You can see in the background where someone has tried to repair a broken clip with glue, yellow arrow. This generally does not work well. To remove the switches, gently pry the clip up and pull the switch out. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.